Okay, time for some more eBay crap videos. Got some more junk came in. Always got more junk coming in. So, let's see what we got this time. Coming out of the front of the box here, so it's a bracket of some type. Enough of the parts are in the way. Need room. Ooh. Plastic bag of a bag. Harley Davidson. Looks like a rear fender brace. 3727-40M, means off a military bike. That looks like an axle. Looks like a brake shoe. Another brake shoe. And the fender brace. So, rear fender brace. Got no chain offset. No wire loom connection. What kind of a rear fender brace that is. You'd think there'd be a chain offset, so I guess in the 40 and earlier where they had no offset brake drum, they didn't have to offset the fender. Okay, this has a 1940M, so that means it's a fender with no sides to the fender. And obviously with a narrow transmission and narrow frame back there, there's no, you don't need the extra hump over here for the wide brake drum. This takes the narrow brake drum. So, I guess it looks pretty symmetrical. These are the brake shoes for the 45. These are the wider ones that are narrowed up by use. The narrow brake shoes are only about this wide. So there's a front one and a back one. See, they've worn down a little bit, not too awful bad. So these just need to have lining put on them, not too bad. Could be welded up right here where they get worn. These are definitely high mileage pieces, but they are still usable, looks like. So that's good. So these are 41 to 52, 45 solo. So this is the bag for the fender brace. And this is the rear axle for it's either 58 to 62 or 63 to 60. What year did they do this? Late star. 68. What year did they change this? No, that was a drum. 67? Late star. I think 67 is when they did that. So, I forget. Might have been 68. 69. Somewhere in that area. I forget. I think I did it in 67 is late star, 66 is star hub. I'm pretty sure. So, this has the rear axle lock plate on it. It has a spacer. It's been chrome plated, so it's either a factory one that's been chromed or it's an aftermarket. The axle's crappy looking, it's easy Harley. It's got a step that goes down through here. That usually means it's a Harley one. This one feels pretty even all the way across, but you can see how it's got a big lip right here. That's definitely a Harley does it. Aftermarket, they make them the same size all the way across. So this is a genuine axle. There are two different lengths between 58 and 63, so not much different, just a little bit. Alright, so I got one good part, and I got the bag. I like the bag too. That way you know it's original. Alright, there you go.